Hello everyone, I am Preeti, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Pastara, Karnal. Today we will discuss about structure and function of skin. So start with introduction. The biggest organ of human body is skin, comprising of numerous layers of tissue that covers and ensures the body's basic structures. It serves as a defensive obstruction against physical harm, pathogens, and harmful UV radiations, whereas to directing temperature, sensation, and squindle disposal. The dermis, epidermis, and hypodermis are composed in skin, each with unmistakable structures and capacities. Structure of the skin. The structure of skin is composed of three layers. First is dermis, second epidermis, and third hypodermis. The outermost layer of the epidermis, which act as defensive obstruction. Underneath the epidermis is the dermis, which contain hair follicles, blood vessels, and sweat organs. The most profound layer in the hypodermis, which provide insulation and fat storage. This is structure of skin. First layer is epidermis. The highest multilayer of the skin is epidermis, composed of stratified keratinized squamous epithelium. It contains four rows short of cells such as melanocytes, Merkel cells, keratinocytes. The epidermis is separated into five sublayers specifically. First is stratum lucidum, stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, stratum germinatinum. First is dermis layer. The layer between epidermis and hypodermis is called dermis. Contain are organized of sweat organs, blood vessels, sebaceous organs, and hair follicles. Dermis give flexibility and structure to the skin, which dermal thickness of approximately 2 mm thick. Components of dermis work as arranged compounds of collagen, elastin, lymph, blood vessels, pole cells, and fibroblasts. The foremost common auxiliary components inside the dermis is the protein collagen, which give the quality and adaptability of the skin. Blood vessels offer assistance in the thermoregulation of the body by choking or enlarging to preserve or discharge warmth. They to help in safe work and give oxygen and supplements to the lower layer of the epidermis. Next is hypodermis. It is basically composed of fat tissue. It protecting the body. It serves as a safe vitality supply. It secure the skin. It permits for the portability over the basic structures. It cooperates a restorative impact in molding body forms. Next is functions of skin assurance. The skin acts as a physical obstruction, ensuring the body from hurtful substances, pathogens, and UV radiations. Next is sensation. The skin contains tangible receptors that distinguish touch, weight, temperature, and torment, permeating us to associate with our environment. Direction. The skin make a difference direct body temperature through the generation of wet sweat and whitening or narrowing of the blood vessels. Excretion. Sweat organs within the skin offer assistance dispose of squander items from the body. Insusceptibility. The skin plays a part within the body's resistance reaction by loading resistant cells that offer assistance protect against disease. Vitamin D. The vitamin D is produced by skin when uncovered to daylight, which is basic for bone well-being and other subsequent capacities. Thank you.